Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm going to make some broccoli. This is how much I have. It's a really big head of broccoli and a smaller one. I'm going to cut them down into florets. I'm going to add some slivered almonds, some olive oil, lemon, just a lot of good stuff. We're going to bake it. It's going to be a perfect side dish to some chicken breast that I'm going to grill. Let's make dinner a very healthy, easy dinner. So first, I'm going to cut down my broccoli. About this big. So right here I have 2 basic chicken breasts. I'm going to put slits on them. Just lets them cook a little easier, faster. And I'm going to put some seasoning on them. So first I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil. Just going to rub them down, both sides. So right here I made up a rub. I'm going to season up these boring chicken breasts and they're going to be super delicious. On the screen I'll have it written, everything that's in this rub. I'm going to add a little bit in between those slices. And I'm going to season these up both sides. You don't have to use all of the rub. Use as much as you think you want. So I have a nice hot skillet. I'm adding some olive oil. Okay, that's the trick. When it's a cast iron skillet, it has to be hot. Now I'm going to add my chicken. My chicken breast. And we're going to get these going. Looking real good. Look at that. So my chicken is on the grill. Here's my broccoli. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my broccoli. This is a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And I'm just going to put it all over the place. Okay. This is a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just a little bit of salt. 3 tablespoons of slivered almonds. Doesn't that sound delish? 3 tablespoons of Italian breadcrumbs. And this is the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. Just sprinkled everywhere. And now I'm just going to mix all of this together. Just turn it over, let everything get coated with everything you've put in here. So this is a cookie sheet. I lined it with parchment paper. You spread out all of your broccoli. And then you just put all your little almonds and everything else on it. I have a preheated oven, 400 degrees. Should take about 20 to 25 minutes. So here's my broccoli, you guys. It just came out of the oven and it is beautiful. It's perfect. Okay, let me put my chicken and my broccoli and plate it up. So here's my grilled chicken and baked broccoli. And this is a very tasty and healthy dinner. And you saw how easy that was to make. So I'll have all the ingredients in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.